The Pink Shark, an underwater mystery written and illustrated by me, Tall Tale Pete. In the deep blue water at the bottom of the sea lives a family of sharks with an unusual mystery. Daddy is a great white shark. He has big teeth. That's because great white sharks like to eat. Mommy is a brown nurse shark. She is really nice. That's because brown nurse sharks give good advice. And baby shark is, good grief. We can't see what baby shark is. She's hiding behind that reef. How curious and puzzling. This certainly is unique. What kind of shark could baby be? A mystery we shall seek. She is not a tiger shark. They have stripes from tail to nose. And she is not a leopard shark. They have spots from head to toes. She is not a whale shark. They are big and blue. She is not a lemon shark. They are yellow and smell good too. And she definitely is not a bull shark. Bull sharks have horns and they're clumsy in shops. P.S. Nothing rhymes with clumsy. Laugh out loud. Baby shark is pink. But what do pink sharks do? It could be kind of awkward on her first day of school. First, she went to Daddy.
Daddy, on my first day of school, can I wear stripes like tiger sharks do?
Daddy said,
Let's not worry so much about clothes. Everyone knows, tiger sharks have stripes from tail to nose.
Then she went to Mommy.
Mommy, on my first day of school, can I wear spots like leopard sharks do?
Mommy said,
Let's not worry so much about clothes. Everyone knows leopard sharks have spots from head to toes.
Baby shark wondered, what should she do? Then with a smile, she gave us a wink and triumphantly said,
I'll wear my hoodie. It's also colored pink.
The very next day, in her hoodie-colored pink, she went off to school, not sure what other sharks would think. Her parents were curious when she came home from school.
So did anything interesting happen at school?
Or did anyone notice your hoodie or you?
They noticed everything pink. Not just my hoodie, but my tail and my head. And to top it off, they noticed something else instead. Of all things, they noticed my smile. Turns out, sharks think smiling is cool. They even solved the mystery. Smiling is what pink sharks do.
So if a pink shark smiles at you, smile right back. It's the cool thing to do. How cool is that? The end.